Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, we'll see how to disable Microsoft Windows Delivery Optimization to speed up Windows 10 or Windows 11. Why disable? Because this Windows feature might be eating your system RAM and slowing down your PC. So to do that, in Start, type Windows Updates and then click Check for Updates. Click Advanced Options, click Delivery Optimization, and here it is. In Windows 11, this option is at the same spot in Windows Update and Advanced section. It says allow downloads from other PCs. If you have an unreliable internet connection or are updating multiple devices, allowing downloads from other PCs can help speed up the process. If you turn this on, your PC may send parts of previously downloaded Windows updates and apps to PCs on your local network or on the internet. So if this option is turned on, it can eat a lot of RAM and internet bandwidth. This is because right now this option is poorly optimized when it comes to system memory usage, and it will slow down your computer over time. A Reddit user Nifnaf shared a related screenshot showing how delivery optimization can slow down PC. So you can turn it off from here in Windows 10 and Windows 11 to speed up your operating system. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.